have two currency on our platform, that is Ghana cedis, USD, and then Nigeria Naira. Okay, so now let me go to login. Okay, right now I'm going to show you how you can change the prices so that you'll be able to understand if you're not in Ghana. Now I don't want to log in. Let me take you to checkouts. So when you click the checkout icon, you go to the shop page. So this is the shop page. Okay, so when you click here, this is the domain. So because you cannot see the list of domain, that's why it's not showing here. But let's go to hosting. So hosting, we have share hosting, and then share hosting plus. Okay, share hosting plus. Okay, and we have the reseller hosting. Okay, so this is the reseller hosting. Good. Okay, so you can look at the pricing, but I'm going to show you something. Okay, so as you can see on top here, we have Ghana cedis. I can just change it to here. That would convert all the currency on this platform to Naira. Okay, as you can see, it has been changed to that. So for right now, I'm at reseller hosting. If I go to share hosting, then all the amount is in Nigeria Naira. I hope you can see that. Okay, so conversion is very simple. I can just decide to change it to USD. Okay, that is American dollars, and as you can see, it has changed to dollars. Okay, everything is in dollars now. You can see from here. Okay, it's in dollars. So, and that is cool. Okay, so you don't have any problem. You can change it to, we have 3 currency here for now, that you can change it to. So for instance, if I want to change to, okay, now it's in USD, I can decide to proceed to check out, and as you can see, the currency is still there. Okay, so as you are, okay, so I can search for my domain name. I just want to enter any random word.com. Okay, good. And even the domain is even in USD. Okay, so I can just click here and then proceed, and everything is in USD because I have it here. Okay, I've changed to that. So as you can see, okay, so as I said, we have changed a lot of things on this platform, and so far so good. I think right now is good for everyone because it will help you to navigate through the website. So thank you for watching. Feel free to ask any question. Okay, if you want to get in touch with me, just come to here on top here. This is my WhatsApp number. You can reach out to me, or you can contact me through these icons, that is through these contacts. Okay, WhatsApp or email. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.